So of course I've seen these things a couple times on my social media feed, but man, did they ever look cool. It looks like something you could really go out there and just have a little fun out on the water with. Now, I don't know that I want one as like my permanent boat, but I mean just as a play toy, where you can go out there on a weekend day and just have a good time with it. It looks like a blast. So if anybody out there from Jetcar, if you guys see this, interested in doing anything with us, just hit me up at miamiboatramps@gmail.com. Love to get behind the wheel of one of these, maybe go run it through Haulover, feature on some of the other channels and do some stuff with it. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these. Is it something you'd like to go out there and just play with at least for a day and try and have some fun with? But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel.
Miami Boat Ramps!
At 79th, and our guy's running down the dock for some reason. It looks like they have a stern line on the boat, so I'm not sure why he's in panic mode. His girl right here is pointing to the front like, hey, get me the bow line. But he's gonna learn, like so many people we see down here, it's just not long enough. But the stern line's attached, so he's telling her to undo it. I mean, if she just walks it back down the dock, the boat should come in. Nope, she tosses it in. So now we're completely free. And I can tell by the way he's in panic mode, he's not ready to roll. Like, the motor's not ready to be started. Runs to the bow. Can't see it. We're kind of shot blocked by this other vessel, but he tossed the line to somebody. And trying to get into the head compartment there, I'm assuming to turn his batteries and the engine on. And there we go. We got a little power now. I guess he's going to switch the stern line, and we're just going to switch docks. But they were just backing down. And, I mean, she'd already tied off the stern line, but the bow came off the front, started to kick out. Our guy goes into panic mode and winds up running down the dock, and here she goes making the walk of shame, even though I don't really think it was her fault. I mean, she really did. She already had a line on there. All he had to do, somebody just had to grab that stern line and walk it back a little bit. The boat should have came right alongside the dock. So the old single jet ski trailer. And our guy's trying to get her back down. And our kid, I don't know why he didn't throw a line out there and just hold on. But he's like holding on at a distance as well, which is just an awkward angle, making it even more difficult to hold on to the dock. He might as well just pull himself tight, at least until the trailer's in the water. Kind of at risk of possibly falling in like this as well. Our crew does look like they're doing one of those impossible tasks, though, and that's going to be getting that single jet ski trailer down in the water pretty much on the first attempt. I mean, the front of the truck's kind of close to the dock, but I mean, it's good enough that they should be able to get this on. So our young man's going to let go of the dock. Maybe not. So Dad's like, bro, go ahead and drive that thing on. And he puts the trailer at a better position. I feel like there's more confusion going on here than there needs to be. So the young man's going to go ahead and turn the ski around, head back toward the trailer. And he's going to miss the trailer. And we're just going to run it right into the dock. I guess that's one way of getting it done. After all that time of holding it off the dock, he just needed to be on the dock to begin with. So our crew's loading on. They don't like the way it's loaded, so they back down just a little bit again. They're going to try and push it over. Super close to the dock right here. So we're going to try to pull. Oh, this is going to be close. There's a car backing down right in front of them. And they're narrowly going to miss that car. He's going to have to stop, though. and continue from there. But man, that was some tight quarters right there as the two vehicles pass each other. So our guy comes to a stop and is ready to start trying to back this down again. Got plenty of room to work with on this side. Doesn't look bad. Turning back a little early on this one. But quickly realizes it, gets the wheel back the other direction, trying to get it lined up. It actually looks like he's in a pretty good spot to me. But we've stopped for some reason. There we go. And now he's turning away from the dock. And unless they got some lines out, that's going to make it difficult to get the boat over. And they're going to try and straighten it out, so we're going to try this one more time. Kind of turning the wrong way. The boat's heading back toward the dock now. It's not the direction he wants to go. His buddy's backing him down, like, keep it coming. But no, you're going to hit the dock. And I think they did. He just came back too far, got too close to the dock. His buddy, who's supposed to be watching out for him, just keeps on waving him back. And they wind up hitting the dock here on number 2. And he turns back out. And here's the worst part of this, is now that he's turning it back out, this is about where he was before he hit the dock. The trailer's in about the same spot, and just now we've hit the dock. So this looks very similar to our first couple we saw. The bow of the boat's just kicked off on him. Wifey's got a stern line. She's trying to hold it in. And that swim deck's going to get caught under the dock. It almost looks kind of like it's being pushed up already. So she's probably going to have to this one's tough. I normally say let a little slack out on the line and try and kick it around, but man, it's gotten so far away from him now, that's going to be a tough one to get back. Somebody's probably going to have to get on the boat, try and bring a line around, at least to the mid-cleat maybe to get it over. So, hubby shows up, trying to assess the situation to determine the best course of action here. Oh, they're going to get the assist, I think. We got a jet ski coming up on the bow, and I don't even know if hubby sees it, but basically our guy sees that they're in trouble, and he's going to help them out and push the boat around for them. And good job. Good Samaritan stepping in, helping get the job done. Way to go. And this crew will be ready to get her tied off. They should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.